Tplink Wi-Fi extender are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and price. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and put a list of the best Tplink Wi-Fi extender from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. After extensive, I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you are curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. Number 5. Tplink N300 Wi-Fi Extender, RE105. Brand: Tplink. Wireless type: 802.11n. Data transfer rate: 300 megabits per second. Frequency band class: single band. Included components: 1x RE105/300 Mbps Wi-Fi range extender, 1x quick installation guide. Item weight: 0.4 pounds. Extend Wi-Fi coverage, boost internet Wi-Fi coverage with 2 external antennas for more reliable Wi-Fi, compatible with any Wi-Fi router, gateway, access point. More than a Wi-Fi repeater, RE105 also supports AP mode, which creates a new Wi-Fi access point for home. Fast Ethernet port: experience wired speed and reliability anywhere in your home by connecting your favorite device to the fast Ethernet port. Better range with external antennas: 2 external antennas with MIMO technology for improved range versus standard range extenders. Set up in minutes: easily set up and manage your Wi-Fi in a few quick and easy steps using the Tplink Tether app, Android, iOS. Find the optimal location for the best Wi-Fi connection with an intelligent signal indicator. All Wi-Fi extenders are designed to increase or improve Wi-Fi coverage, not to directly increase speed. In some cases, improving signal reliability can affect overall throughput. If you experience any trouble during or after setup, please contact us. Tplink offers a 2-year warranty and 24/7 technical support. Number 4. Tplink AC1200 Wi-Fi Extender, RE315. Brand: Tplink. Wireless type: 802.11n, 802.11b, 802.11a, 802.11ac, 802.11g. Data transfer rate: 1200 megabits per second. Frequency band class: dual band. Included components: Wi-Fi extender, quick installation guide. Item weight: 6.1 ounces. Extend Wi-Fi coverage, boost internet Wi-Fi coverage up to 1500 square feet and connects up to 25 devices, compatible with any Wi-Fi router or access point. Superscript 1 Superscript 2. Fast Ethernet port: experience wired speed and reliability anywhere in your home by connecting your favorite device to the fast Ethernet port. Access point mode: the Ethernet port of RE315 can easily turn your wired internet connection into a wireless access point. It can also function as a wireless adapter to connect wired devices, like Blu-ray player, game console, or smart TV. Universal compatibility: the RE315 range extender is compatible with all Wi-Fi enabled devices and Wi-Fi routers or Wi-Fi access points. Superscript 2. Supports Tplink One Mesh: creates a mesh network by connecting to a One Mesh router for seamless whole home coverage, like Archer A7, Archer AX21. Number 3. Tplink AC1200 Wi-Fi Extender, RE300. Brand: Tplink. Frequency band class: dual band. Wireless type: 802.11n, 802.11b, 802.11a, 802.11ac, 802.11g. Compatible devices: smart television, smartphone. Included components: AC1200 One Mesh Wi-Fi Range Extender, RE300, Quick Installation Guide. Connectivity technology: Wi-Fi. Extend Wi-Fi coverage, boosts internet Wi-Fi coverage up to 1500 square feet and connects up to 25 devices, compatible with any router, gateway, access point. 2. 4 GHz to 300 megabits per second / 5 GHz to 867 megabits per second. Eliminate Wi-Fi dead zones, enjoy lag-free connection to any type of devices. Does not support Ethernet port connection. Stay connected, expand Wi-Fi coverage for your smartphones, smart TV, Fire Stick, Google Chromecast, web browsing, Alexa Echo, Ring and more. Easy setup, Smart Indicator Light helps to install in best optimal location. One Mesh technology enables the creation of a one mesh network for seamless roaming when paired with the Archer A7 router, more devices to be updated in the future. Tplink is the world's #1 provider of consumer Wi-Fi for 7 consecutive years according to IDC Q2 2018 report. All Wi-Fi extenders are designed to increase or improve Wi-Fi coverage, not to directly increase speed. In some cases, improving signal reliability can affect overall throughput. If you experience any trouble during or after setup, please contact us. Tplink offers a 2-year and free 24/7 technical support. Number 2. Tplink AC1750 Wi-Fi Extender, RE450. Brand: Tplink. Wireless type: 802.11n, 802. Data transfer rate: 1750 megabits per second. Frequency band class: dual band. Color: white. Included components: AC1750 Wi-Fi range extender. Extend Wi-Fi coverage, boosts internet Wi-Fi coverage up to 2000 square feet and connects up to 32 devices, compatible with any router, gateway, access point. 2.4 GHz to 450 megabits per second, 5 GHz to 1300 megabits per second. Power consumption: 9W, max power consumption. Eliminate Wi-Fi dead zones, enjoy lag-free connection to any type of devices. Number 1. Tplink AX1500 Wi-Fi Extender Internet Booster, RE500X. Wi-Fi extender signal booster for home. Expand high-performance Wi-Fi with RE500X featuring high-gain antennas that are specifically designed to eliminate Wi-Fi dead zones. Wi-Fi booster with Wi-Fi 6 speeds, enjoy smoother and more reliable streaming, gaming, downloading, and more with dual-band Wi-Fi speeds up to 1.5 gigabits per second, 1201 megabits per second on 5 GHz and 300 megabits per second on 2.4 GHz. Connect more devices to your network. Connect more devices that are out of range from your main router while eliminating poor performance and weak Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi extender with gigabit Ethernet port. Experience wired speed and reliability anywhere in your home by connecting your favorite device to the gigabit Ethernet port. One Mesh compatible. Create a seamless Wi-Fi network using compatible routers and range extenders so you never have to switch networks or lose signal. Compatible router Archer AX21. Easy setup in minutes. Easily set up and manage your Wi-Fi in a few quick and easy steps using the Tplink Tether app, Android, iOS. Find the optimal location for the best Wi-Fi connection with intelligent signal indicator. Universal compatibility. The AX1500 range extender is compatible with all Wi-Fi enabled devices and routers or access points. It even supports new AX phones, laptops and other devices. Superscript 1. All wireless extenders are designed to increase or improve Wi-Fi coverage, not to directly increase speed. In some cases, improving signal reliability can affect overall throughput. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product links. Thank you so much for visiting my channel.